everyone. So this lecture is all about data modeling. In this lecture में हम लोग सीखेंगे how what is the difference between the fact table and dimension table, how the relationships are going to build one to one, many to many relationships, and how this relationship will work in your data modeling tool. So let's begin. So data modeling last lecture में जैसे हम लोगों ने सीखा data modeling is a one part of your Power BI. So what is data modeling exactly? So understanding the data modeling. Data modeling is about creating a logical presentation of your data which makes it easier to perform the analysis. Okay, means what? We are going to import multiple tables and we'll combine the data of the different tables or sources into a single model. अगर आप एक्सेल में काम करते रहेंगे तो यू हैव लुक आफ्टर कि आपने क्या किया था एक्चुअली वन देर इज कॉल्ड एज अ मास्टर डेटा वन देर इज कॉल्ड एज अ ट्रांजेक्शनल डेटा. सो ट्रांजेक्शनल डेटा में मास्टर टेबल में से हम लोग को कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो वी अप्लाई मल्टीपल लॉजिकल स्टेटमेंट्स कॉल्ड एज अ हम लोग वी लुकअप यूज़ किया इंडेक्स मैच okay h lookups. We have used multiple formulas to have the build this relationship into the multiple datas and pull out the whatever the data needed for us. The same thing we are going to do in a data modeling, but in a easiest way, which you never think that these things can be happen in this is easiest way. So हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं हम लोग डिफाइंड रिलेशनशिप करेंगे दैट इज वन टू मेनी रिलेशनशिप व्हाट आर दीज एंड व्हाट आर द प्राइमरी की दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लिसन learn in next. Okay, so for before going to start in a Power Pivot data modeling, we are going to first need to understand what are the fact table and what are the dimension table. So what are the fact table and dimension table? Fact table in regular language is called as a transactional table, that is the original data entry what we have done, and master dimension table is called as a master data. So need to understand, so I will go through the first. Let's okay. So I have some raw data in this foodmat transaction. Foodmat transaction में क्या किया? So we have a transaction. So on this date, this यहाँ पे हम लोग देखेंगे तो we have a product ID, customer ID, store ID and quantity on stock date. So on this date, this product has been sold to this customer. From this store ID, the product has been dispatched in quantity of 5. Now, यहाँ पे देखो, these are the IDs we have generated that are the unique IDs. That is called as the primary keys for your master data. Master data means what? Master data देखो यहाँ पे आपका product lookup है. Okay. So यहाँ पे मैं अगर product lookup open करता हूँ which is called as यहाँ पे product ID है. So product lookup में देखते हैं हम लोग तो यहाँ पे देखो unique ID है. So यहाँ पे जो product ID है 869. समझ let's say 4 is the product which has been sold in a 4 quantity to the customer 3449. So what is 4 product? So I have to take it from the okay. So this is called your dimension table. Yeah, this is called your master data, and this is called your fact table called as a transactional data. So same thing I have to take it. Then I can go with the like a customer lookup लेता हूँ मैं open करता हूँ. So यहाँ पे अगर customer ID है, what is the customer ID? So यहाँ पे उस particular customer ID के details है. So यहाँ पे देखो अगर 106 is the customer actually. So if I scroll down, this is your 106 customer John Stewart. Okay, so this is how we have to fetch the data from the master table. If we want to, what is the customer name in Excel? What we have done equal we look up and we pull the data from that over here column index number वगैरह सब देखें. So let's begin how it works in the data modeling. Before that, we are going to start with the what exactly the difference. देखो पर्पस ऑफ द देखो स्टोर्स क्वांटिटेटिव डेटा ऑफ एनालिसिस. क्वांटिटेटिव यानी जितने भी ट्रांजेक्शन होंगे दैट इज कॉल्ड क्वांटिटेटिव. स्टोर डिस्क्रिप्टिव और टेक्सचुअल डेटा मीन्स मास्टर डेटा क्या रहता है. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे देखो प्रोडक्ट नेम कस्टमर नेम दिस ऑल कॉल्ड एज अ टेक्सचुअल डेटा. Data type is a numerical data sales profit quantity. Okay, that is a numerical data. और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा category data means we are going to define category product name customer gender customer के details areas like that one. Granularity high granularity because it is going to repeat on daily basis daily transactions रहेंगे. Lower granularity it is one time going to upload it. प्राइमरी कंटेन्स फॉरेन कीज एंड कंटेन्स प्राइमरी की। प्राइमरी की यानी क्या रहेगा, जैसे अब हम लोगों ने देखा प्रोडक्ट आईडी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर प्राइमरी की। यहाँ पे फॉरेन की यानी ये मास्टर डेटा में वो मेन की रहेगा, दैट इज गोइंग टू रिपीटेड इन अ ट्रांजेक्शनल डेटा, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड योर फॉरेन कीज इन अ फैक्ट। देन यहाँ पे रिलेशनशिप आएगा लिंक टू द डायमेंशन टेबल वाया फॉरेन की प्रोवाइड डिस्क्रिप्टिव एट्रीब्यूट्स। सो लिंक कैसे रिलेशन बिल्ड करेंगे हम लोग आगे देखते हैं। Size typically larger because daily transactions will be getting uploaded in this. Typically smaller because one time master data is going to be uploaded. Now example, sales fact, transactional fact, revenue fact, and whatever the things are going to happen in your business, okay, companies that are going to be continuously updated as a fact. This is one time, that is product dimension, customer dimension, time dimensions, like updated, it is daily going to update it, and frequently means whenever the transaction is going to happen, that is going to update less frequently unless until there is a new customer added, new product added, new timeline, new anything added, so we have to use that. Aggregation data in fact tables can be aggregated, means we can summarize that. Okay, means how much sales happen, how much profit has been done, how much quantity of the product is going to sold, like that one. It is not going to aggregate it because we have a like continuous as a how much customer, like that one. Time depends contains timestamp data, daily sales, contains time dependent data, that is customer name, independent data, that is customer name, product name. So you, यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने आपको समझ में आएगा व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली द डायमेंशन टेबल एंड फैक्ट टेबल, जो मैंने प्रैक्टिकली भी आपको देखा। सो लेट्स बिगिन कि हम लोग इसको पावर पीओट में कैसे वर्क करेंगे एंड हाउ दीज फंक्शंस आर गोइंग टू वर्क इन पावर। सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, सो स्टे ट्यून इफ यू लाइक video, so must like the videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much, thanks a lot.